Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longzhe machine. Today is 2nd September 2025. We are loading an 2.5 ton per hour complete petty straw pellet line to India. We are loading our 160 kilowatt pellet machine, the model number XGG700, and 160 kilowatt hammer mill. And also we are loading some animal feed pellet machines, the charcoal briquette machines to India. And we use an 40 feet high cube container for loading.